Imagine waking up, opening your laptop, and making money just by using AI. Sounds crazy, right? But thousands of beginners are already doing it. And the best part, you don't need coding skills, expensive equipment, or years of experience. In this video, I'll show you step by step how beginners can make money using ChatGPT starting today. Right now, businesses, YouTubers, bloggers, and small companies need content every single day. Emails, captions, scripts, ads, product descriptions, the demand is massive. But most people don't have time to write everything themselves. That's where you come in using ChatGPT as your assistant. Let's start with step 1. Understand what ChatGPT can sell. ChatGPT can write blog posts, YouTube scripts, social media captions, product descriptions, emails, resumes, ads, and even ebooks. Instead of thinking, how do I make money? Think, who needs writing done fast? The answer is, almost every business online. Step 2. Pick one service to start. Beginners make a big mistake by trying to do everything. Don't do that. Choose one simple service like YouTube scripts, Instagram captions, blog writing, or product descriptions. For example, YouTube script writing is in huge demand because creators post videos every week and need scripts constantly. Step 3. Learn basic prompting. ChatGPT is powerful, but the quality depends on your prompts. Instead of typing, write a blog, give detailed instructions like, write a 1,000-word blog post for beginners, friendly tone, simple English, include tips and examples. The better your prompt, the better the result, and better results mean happy clients. Step 4. Create samples, very important. Clients will ask, show me your work. Even if you have no experience, you can create 3 to 5 sample pieces using ChatGPT. Make a fake YouTube script, a fake blog post, or fake product descriptions and put them in a Google Doc or PDF. Congratulations, you now have a portfolio. Step 5. Start freelancing. Go to Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Create a simple profile. Your first gig could be, I will write YouTube scripts using AI. I will write blog posts with ChatGPT. I will create product descriptions fast. Start with low prices like $5, $10 to get your first reviews. Reviews are more important than money at the beginning. Step 6. Deliver work using ChatGPT plus your edits. Never send raw AI text. Always read it, fix mistakes, make it sound natural, and personalize it for the client. This step turns AI text into professional work, and clients will keep coming back. Step 7. Scale your income. Once you get reviews, increase your prices. Many freelancers charge $30, $50, even $100 per article or script. Imagine doing just 2 orders per day. That's real online income. Now let's talk about beginner income expectations. First month. Learning plus first clients. Second month. Consistent orders. Third month. Raising prices. Many beginners reach $300, $1,000 per month within a few months if they stay consistent. Here are some beginner ideas you can start today. YouTube script writing, blog writing, social media captions, resume writing, email marketing, product descriptions, ebook writing. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. The biggest mistake beginners make is waiting. Waiting to learn more. Waiting for the perfect time. Waiting until they feel ready. But the people making money online, they started before they felt ready. So here's your action plan for today. Pick one service. Create 3 samples. Open Fiverr. Publish your first gig. Your online income journey can start today with just ChatGPT and an internet connection. If you enjoyed this video and want more ways to make money online, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your future self will thank you.